हीलियम से भरा हुआ गुब्बारा बनाना है या बादल बनाना है, उड़ते दोनों ही हैं।
एग्जैक्टली।
बट हीलियम से भरे हुए गुब्बारे की एक एज है, एक टाइम है उड़ने का।
But whether I've made a Malang or whether I've made even a villain, which is a slasher film, there was always a component के गाने का एक emphasis मेरे लिए एक screen play tool है। लोगों को लगता है कि lip sync गाने ही चलते हैं। तुम ही हो was not lip sync, गलिया was not lip sync, वो लम्हे और बातें was not lip sync. Dream team together. It was more like Avengers assemble. But
Mastro's
yeah,
music.
when consciousness hits in. And a little liquid courage goes in. It is only Hindi music they want to hear, and they were remixing current songs. So I said, why don't we remix it on our own and do it?
मैं पैसों के लिए कर रहा हूँ, मैं नाम के लिए कर रहा हूँ, बट एक्चुअली मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ वो नहीं आता है। तो डायरेक्टर आके मुझे 5 गाने बोल दिए जो हिट है।
अच्छा।
बोले कि देखो ये गाने हिट हुए ऐसे, वो गाने फिल्म में मैच भी नहीं होता है।
Hi, this is Bhavna and you're watching India Today. Well, there's one thing about Bollywood right now that everyone is talking about, that there is a dearth of good songs and romantic films. And there's a film coming next month which is expected to end that drought for us, which is called Sayyara. And I'm sitting with Mohit Suri, the director, and two maestros behind the composition for the album, Irshad sir and Tanishq. Firstly, a huge welcome to India Today. I have to say, and I genuinely believe what I said in my introduction, that drought sa feel ho raha hai when it comes to romantic films or just films that can make us feel good about love. And I think jab maine teaser dekha and then when I heard the first song, a thing which everyone is talking about is ki old magic of Bollywood is back. Okay, and I resonate with it as an audience, but I want to know, when you hear this, what does it mean for you personally when you hear, जब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ऐसा लग रहा है कि बॉलीवुड का पुराना जो म्यूजिकल दौर था वो वापस आ रहा है इस कॉम्पोजिशन से, what do you think they mean by that and do you agree with it? Irshad sir, we'll start with you.
Yeah, okay. So basically what we were missing melodies. जैसा होता क्या है कि जब आपको वो चीज़ नहीं मिल रही होती है जिसकी आपको एक्चुअली ज़रूरत होती है। हम बेसिकली बहुत ज़्यादा म्यूज़िक को पसंद करने वाले लोग हैं। अब वो मेलोडी अगर हमें नहीं मिल रही है तो हमें लगता है कि अरे नहीं, थोड़ी तसल्ली नहीं हो रही है, मन नहीं भर रहा है पूरी तरह से। दिस सैयारा इज़ द काइंड ऑफ म्यूज़िक विच इज़ रियली आंसरिंग दोज filling
that void.
Yeah, filling that void. So एक म्यूज़िकल चीज़, एक रोमांटिक चीज़, एक वैसी चीज़ जिसको हम बिना वक्त के क्या होता है, ये गाना डांस नंबर है, इसको इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ही सुना जा सकता है या इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है। रोमांटिक गाने की बात ये होती है कि रोमांटिक गाने का, क्योंकि हम बेसिकली बड़े रोमांटिक लोग हैं तो रोमांस का कोई वक्त नहीं होता, तो ये कभी भी सुना जा सकता है। तो सैयारा, पर्टिकुलरली दिस टाइटल सॉन्ग, डेफिनेटली आई थिंक वो उस जोन के साथ कनेक्ट करता है जिस जोन को हम पहले, हमारे पास था जोन, बीच में थोड़ा जैसे मिस हो गया वो, एंड अगेन वी आर कनेक्टिंग विद दैट जोन.
And thank you. As an audience, I would like to say. But Mohit sir, when people say कि कुछ missing था पिछले कुछ सालों में in music, and अब जब बोल रहे हैं कि वो दौर वापस आ रहा है, तो आपके लिए what do you think that is? And because you have also produced a lot of directed a lot of films in the past, but I think जो आपका आशिकी 2 का जो एल्बम है, साथ ही में हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड जो है, वो स्पेशल प्लेस रहेगा, मतलब बाकी सब तो रहेगा ही लेकिन वो स्पेशल प्लेस रहेगा।
देखिए, आप जो कह रहे हैं जो वापस आया, मेरे लिए कभी गया ही नहीं, क्योंकि अगर आप मेरी पहली फिल्म से देख लो, चाहे वो लम्हे हो बातें हो, इट्स एन एपिक, आई मीन इट्स अ सॉन्ग दैट्स, आज भी माय वाइफ हुज डीजेइंग टू चिल्ड्रन हु आर सो कॉल्ड जेन ज़ी, उन्होंने शायद पैदा नहीं हुए थे जब वो पिक्चर रिलीज हुई थी, and I don't know why they're dancing to that song that Suketu remixed, and whether आवारापन हो या कोई भी हो, I'm talking about action films, thrillers, ये मानना के, and I remember मैं आदिशा से जब बात कर रहा था, he was like, what I like is you like music, and as a director, you know, you don't look at music as something you have to add, because वो मुझे तो लगता है एक स्क्रीन प्ले टूल है to have a song. हमारी मुश्किल इस पिक्चर में ये थी इरशाद भाई के साथ कि हाउ डू वी डिफरेंशिएट द स्टेज ऑफ लव दैट द रिलेशनशिप इज ऑन, बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक इरशाद भाई आज ये लड़का ये स्टेज पे है और ये लड़की ये स्टेज पे है, आज ये कैसे नए, हाउ डू यू चेंज दिस? आई थिंक दैट वाज द टास्क टू अचीव. द आइडिया वाज नॉट कि एक शादी का गाना है और एक डांस का गाना है, एंड नथिंग रॉन्ग विद दैट. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद दैट. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, my children enjoy that music, dance music and everything, but whether I've made a malang or whether I've made even a villain, which is a slasher film, there was always a component के गाने का एक emphasis मेरे लिए एक screen play tool है. You know, अक्सर लोग समझ, I mean इस फिल्म में तो है, but लोगों को लगता है कि lip sync गाने ही चलते हैं. तुम ही हो was not lip sync, गलिया was not lip sync, वो लम्हे और बातें was not lip sync. So but I still used it as a very important part of the film. Similarly in this film, तो मुझे मेरे लिए कभी गाने गए ही नहीं. I just think that see what other people do, I don't know यार. और मुझे क्या ये पता है कि इसका solution ये था, whether old school, new school, this is the only school I know. Whether it's the school I come from, which is Vishesh Films, or the school I'm in right now, which is Yash Raj. Music is an integral part of our filmmaking process. So I don't know what is otherwise.
I think the fact that you don't know what you're doing in terms of like you don't know that you're actually creating a masterpiece is why it works. Because अगर आपको ये लगेगा कि आप masterpiece बनाने निकले हो तो शायद वो
exactly you don't ever make a classic. A classic gets made. You can't go out saying today I will make people cry on this song. Then you're looking at yourself. You're not looking at what you're making. So I'm being honest about it. हम लोग we were just like, although this is my 14th film, and I worked with Irshad Bhai before, but this combination of both of them. But the fact there's so many new people in this, and I was that guy who used to go as a kid to watch Adi Sir's film, Yash G's film in the theater, saying one day, and I wanted to become a director after I saw that. The fact that I'm making a film with them is a first for me. It was something I wanted to do, and working, I had to get my dream team together. It was more like Avengers assemble. But
Masters music.
With a couple of new, because they're all new over here. My writer of the film also, Sankap Sadhana, is a new guy.
Avengers की भी अभी नई team
Yeah,
बन रही है,
exactly.
तो मतलब,
So I think this is. But I needed some of them who had worked with before, and get like Tanishka I had done worked twice before with, because the superpower we have would actually be the music.
And it is. I mean, so far
for a love story, it always has been.
And
who else but the Avengers to come together for this?
I love it. But you know, before I go to Tanishq, I want to know, जैसे आपने बोला कि एक वक्त जब आपने lip sync के दौर में भी you chose कि if certain songs don't demand that, you won't go and just do it because it is the norm. Is it difficult to break the norm and then convince people around you, because it's not just one person involved with a film, everyone has to be on the same page. Was it difficult back then to at least tell them that, listen, I know this is not lip sync, but it will still work, it's a good song?
I never have reached a position like this. I've never been asked this. कि ये lip sync है या नहीं, I don't know. We just did it. It's like how we watched Hindi films. I think, no one ever questioned us, because I think they felt we
knew what you're doing.
Filmy enough, I think. Maybe, or maybe not in a bad way. Like I remember when even in my first film, when I remixed the song, I remember Bhatt Sahab saying, I don't understand what you're doing to the song. Because at that time they used to remix only old songs. और उस टाइम कोई नए गाने जो unreleased गाने को remix नहीं करते थे. But I knew when I went to nightclubs, I was 21, 22 years old. When you went to nightclubs, end mein, I think after a certain level of consciousness, I would say, every Indian wants to hear Desi music only. You can be in a corporate party, you can be in a nightclub, you can be anywhere. You can start with English music, and however Angrez they are, but in the end, when consciousness hits in, and a little liquid courage goes in, it is only Hindi music they want to hear. And they were remixing current songs. So I said, why don't we remix it on our own and do it? And so I think I just did. I remember Alia was 10 years old and she heard it and she was like, wow, this is superb. she was always the star, the commercial one of all of us. But no, what I'm just saying is, I think we never had to I don't know. I mean, I'm now thinking about it. Why wouldn't anyone ask me? I never gave myself that thing.
I think, like you said, क्योंकि उनको भरोसा था कि अच्छा मतलब whatever he's doing, he'll do his best because he loves movies, like all of us do at the end of the day. But Tanuj sir, like he said, you know, at this point, music, and I think I also believe that as Indians we love music. Music has been in our DNA because ये और हमेशा से चला आ रहा है. But I think पिछले कुछ दौर में बहुत कुछ बातें होती है music को लेके because there is a section who feels that are we really giving up on our legacy in ways to match with the West, because a lot of it is Western music today, influenced by Western music. But at the same time, then we have a Sayyara which is very close to what our music used to be like. How difficult is it as a composer to balance this? Because we have to, of course, connect and be relevant when it comes to producing music, when it comes to थोड़ा influence जो वैसे है वो भी आज के लिए ज़रूरी है, but at the same time not losing our core in that. As a composer, how difficult is that?
Honestly बताऊँ, इतना सोचता भी नहीं हूँ मैं कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है इधर जो है ना, जैसे सर ने बोला है, इधर इमोशंस हमेशा वही है, सेम है. मैंने इतने मेरे ज़िंदगी में अफेयर्स हैं, ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ, इमोशंस हर बार सही है, टूटता दिल वैसे ही है हर बार, ठीक है. तो वो फीलिंग जो है ना वो हमेशा सेम ही रहता है. म्यूज़िक भी वैसा ही है. हाँ, क्या हो जाता है कि जब मैं बहुत सारे फिल्म्स करता हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ वो कर रहा हूँ, तो उसमें मैं खुद को भूल जाता हूँ कभी कभी कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. मैं पैसों के लिए कर रहा हूँ, मैं नाम के लिए कर रहा हूँ, बट एक्चुअली मैं क्या करना चाहता हूँ वो नहीं आता. तब मोहित सूरी आते हैं मेरी ज़िंदगी में एज अ मेंटर, एज अ लेजेंड. जब मुझे निकाल के वो मैस से निकाल के फिर बोलते हैं, बेटा ये देख, ये है, ये तेरा ज़िंदगी में ये चल रहा है, तुझे ऐसे गाने बनाना है जो तू खुद रिलेट कर पाए. तो अगर वैसे डायरेक्टर मिले तो म्यूज़िक तो आप जैसे बोल रहे हो वो अच्छे म्यूज़िक बनने ही वाले. तो डायरेक्शन मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है ज़िंदगी में, एंड ईगो नहीं रखना है अंदर. तो आजकल के ज़माने में क्या है, सब ऑब्वियसली इंडिपेंडेंट कर रहे हैं, वो भी अच्छा है, फिल्म भी चल रहा है, सब सुन रहे हैं. बट जो गाना पहले होता था वो अभी क्यों नहीं ऐसा है, ठहराव क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि लोगों के अंदर इंटेंशंस थोड़े हिल गए. किसके लिए कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं, खुद रिलेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. मैं आपको एक एग्जाम देता हूँ. कल ही मेरा एक म्यूज़िक सीटिंग था, उसमें भी हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे. तो डायरेक्टर आके मुझे 5 गाने बोल दिए जो हिट है.
अच्छा.
बोले कि देखो ये गाने हिट हुए ऐसे. वो गाने फिल्म में मैच भी नहीं होता है. अच्छा. तो कनेक्शन नहीं बिल्डअप होता है, तो उसमें हम लोग भी भटक जाते हैं. और तब सैयारा होता है जब रियलाइज़ होता है कि हम लोग एक एक्चुअल म्यूज़िक कर रहे हैं बैठ के. सर ने जब उन्होंने पहले बनाया था ना पियानो में, बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज लिसन्स टू द कोर म्यूजिक. गाना ऐसे कैसे बज रहा है, आप पियानो बजा के गा सकते हो, गिटार बजा के गा सकते हो. अगर तभी गाना इतना आप याद कर सकते हो ना, तो आप समझ लो आपने अचीव कर लिया वो चीज़. ये मैंने सर से ही सीखा है. तो इस बार मैंने जब पियानो में बजाया ना, मैं खुद भी वो एन्जॉय कर रहा था गाना. शायद लिरिक्स नहीं था बट मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था. तो ये चीज़ जो है ना, तो उसी से ही समझ में आ जाता है कि कुछ अच्छा ही बनने वाला है. एंड मैं कोलैबोरेशन में बिलीव करता हूँ. मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि मैं खुद ही करूँगा. तो एंड सर भी नए, सब जितने भी आप आर्टिस्ट देखोगे सब सर ने चांस दिया. चाहे जितने भी सिंगर्स आए हैं वो सर ने निकाले उनको. तो वैसे मैं भी उनका चेला हूँ, तो मैं भी ढूंढता रहता हूँ कि टैलेंट कैसे कहाँ पे है. तो वैसे फ़हीम और अरसलान मिले तो गाने सुने, सर को सुना है.
It was him who found them. I told him this is what I want, और मैंने बोला कि यार ये गाना ऐसा मुझे चाहिए. This is the emotion I want. And he said, है मेरे पास सर, अब एक बार आ जाओ. I was called him up from Dubai and he was the one who got me. Show me Farhan and Fadeen and Arslan. But it's not like he hard sold them. He said this is their song, and first he made me hear it in his voice. But because he knows that I judge a song not by the beautiful voice that he has. He said you should like. I know how he likes it. But once he got that, he told me, get out, let me make this song. And he made the song. I mean, they were jamming also. Then Ishad Bhai came and added. And it's not like we listen to each other. We fight a lot also when we make the song. But the good thing is we fight for the work that we are doing. Not to, and the song was not made to impress anybody or for someone's so-called audience and target audience. This was made for the film, for the character, that what is being played. not what is right or wrong.
I'm not thinking that will it make it to the top 100 on Spotify.
No, that I've never done anyway.
उन्होंने कभी नहीं किया.
Because I mean, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like most of the songs these days, at least, क्योंकि मैंने जितने भी singers या composers से बात की है, they have always said that nowadays the only difference is that people come with prerequisite list कि you know धुन क्या होगी, lyrics क्या होंगे, वो तो secondary है. We need a song which will be a hit. We need a song which will be featuring this or this artist. So उसके उनके aura के हिसाब से होना चाहिए. You're getting my point. Like these are the briefs given.
Don't trust me. He knows much more of these than most of us. And I think
No, he can correct me if I'm wrong.
Fortunately have never had to have that problem till today.
मेरे ज़िंदगी में तो आते हैं क्योंकि मैं तो काम करना चाहता हूँ, तो मतलब काम इन द सेंस कि एक टाइम तो देखो.
No, nothing wrong in that.
हाँ, wrong नहीं है ये कभी.
There's nothing wrong. That also I think is very difficult to do, right?
डिफिकल्ट कि कौन सा डायरेक्टर क्या चाहते हैं, और वो मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से मैंने सीखा है क्या चाहिए डायरेक्टर को, ये चाहिए तो मैं सेटिस्फाई कर देता हूँ, ये लीजिए. बट कहीं कहीं वो अंदर रह जाता है कि शायद इसमें मैं ये कर सकता था, बट उन्होंने शायद बिलीव नहीं किया है. बट ये जो बंदा है ना, ये बंदा जो है ये बिलीव करता है, और इनके वो बिलीव के कारण ही ये चीज़ होता है. मैं अकेला नहीं कर सकता हूँ ये चीज़.
True.
और दूसरी बात ये भी है, मुझे लगता है सब लोग काम करते हैं ना, यू एज ए क्रिएटिव पर्सन यू डिसाइड कि आपको हीलियम से भरा हुआ गुब्बारा बनाना है या बादल बनाना है. उड़ते दोनों ही हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
बट हीलियम से भरे हुए गुब्बारे की एक एज है, एक टाइम है उड़ने का. बादल का कोई टाइम नहीं है, वो कितनी भी देर उड़ सकता है. So you have to decide.
See, he's just proven why he is one of the best
Exactly.
writers that we have.
मैं वही सोच रहा था.
Because I never thought
दो डायलॉग तो मैं ले रहा हूँ.
मैं भी सर लेने वाला हूँ दो तीन डायलॉग.
एक तो वो रेनबो वाला जो मैंने भी सुना, और एक ये. मतलब दिस इज क्लासिक.
बादल और रेनबो.
हीलियम और बादल.
कोई बात नहीं सर, एक दो और आ जाएंगे.
We'll reach the night Sayara sky by then.
But Irshad sir, because I think you are the go-to person in today's time, at least when it comes to writing lyrics, especially when
For
it
love
comes
songs,
to
for sure,
for
yeah.
love songs, right? And you get a lot of brief from different directors who want different things from you. Now, how do you try to cater to every vision? Because every story, of course, is different. But जैसे उनको music के लिए brief मिलता है, वैसे ही I think writing के लिए भी brief आते होंगे.
Right.
How do you balance your instinct, your creative instinct, because वो भी कहीं ना कहीं तो fulfill होना चाहिए. शायद 100% ना हो तो 50% तो हो, लेकिन how do you balance that your creative needs are also fulfilled, but also the director is happy with, or whoever is associated with the film, they are happy with the product?
See, ultimately, as a writer, first of all, you have to step back. मैं ऐसा करता हूँ कि एज ए राइटर मैं स्टेप बैक करता हूँ. मेरे पास दो इम्पॉर्टेंट लोग होते हैं उस टाइम पे, एक डायरेक्टर, एक वो करेक्टर जिसके लिए मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. राइट. डायरेक्टर के मुझे दिमाग तक पहुँचना होता है कि वो चाह क्या रहा है. करेक्टर की मुझे स्किन में जाना होता है, अंडर द स्किन जिसको बोलते हैं. राइट. और जब आप ये काम कर रहे हो, दोनों काम करते हुए आप वो पॉइंट ढूंढना होता है जहाँ पे आपको मजा आए. यू नो, जब दो तीन रास्ते मिल रहे होते हैं तो कोई एक चौराहा होता है जहाँ वो मिलते हैं. राइट. या टी पॉइंट होता है कि रास्ता इधर. वो जो टी पॉइंट या जो वो चौराहा होता है, वो एक पॉइंट होता है जहाँ पे सब रास्ते मिल जाते हैं. और मेरा काम एज ए राइटर सिर्फ वही पॉइंट ढूंढने का है.
ये सॉन्ग में वो पॉइंट कहाँ मिला आपको?
ये वही बात है कि इसमें भी जैसे इन्होंने कहा ना,
I didn't have a title for the film. Yeah. I knew that this song was going to be the title of the film.
Okay.
And we had some dummy lyrics that he did. Then there was Sumanna Ghosh, who's my creative producer, who came up with the idea, and I was like, what does it even, like, it means something heavenly, and no, it's not right. And then I don't know, she said, think about it. And because there was a song in YRF that was like this, you know, I remember bouncing it off him, and he was like, this word, there was a word called Sayya, which would become Sayyara, and I was like, phonetic, and then suddenly everything just tried falling into place, and it was him who told me the true meaning of how it is applicable to our film. Because I always feel a title brings about direction in the film, you know, unlike other people who use a title to stand out. I don't do it because of that. There is a reason why a film is called Malang. There was a Ashiki was more about the love and not about the alcoholism
Yeah.
and the music industry. There's a difference.
It was about love.
There's a
Yeah.
difference. And sorry, just not for compare, but Rockstar was about his music also because it's called Rockstar. So I think a title always helps you differentiate where you're looking in the film. And I think when he put Sayyara to it, so that's his contribution that, you know, is invaluable. You can't really, like, obviously, you know, one person suggested, but it was my team that actually received it. And then he jumped at it. He said, "Nahi, nahi, ye brilliantly fit hoga." Then it just changed the whole way of how the film is going to be made.
So that is the point, you know, मतलब as I am saying कि character भी satisfy हो रहा है, director भी satisfy हो रहा है, as a music director composition के साथ, see composition lyrics के बाद अगर enhance नहीं होती है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उसको अगर एक उठान नहीं मिलता है, तो definitely वो composition आपके lyrics को भी उठान नहीं देगी. Am I right, sir?
And you know, balance is so delicate.
Yeah.
You know, the thing is, I remember when he heard the tune, he was the first person who heard the tune in his voice. And Irshad Bhai was so excited, he wrote so much. You know, he wrote so much. Yeah. And he was like, nahi, this song demands it.
Yeah.
But then it was Tanish who saying, itna nahi samajh mein aa raha hai meko. But so you understand the crossroad we met.
4 minute के ऊपर गया है गाना, which is
No, it's not the length.
very,
It's the amount of thoughts. There was not a single repetition. It was just going.
Wow.
But that's Irshad. He can do that. He's done it before. He's written 19-minute songs also.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. And this is only. He's saying, "Sir, this is only 6." but Tanish was like, "ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है." But see, that's the thing. That's how a song is made.
Yeah.
The crossroad that he's talking about is where we realize, नहीं sir, ये शायद सही बोल रहा है. ये या गलत बोल रहा है. You know, that is what I think my job is. I actually don't do anything but do just that.
That's a very
That's the only
important
job,
job.
yeah.
Because if that is not in place, everything will go haywire.
मतलब sometimes something is.
And he's very smart. Like, he will not look at him directly when we are composing. And he goes into the piano against the wall. And he's looking at me and doing this. And I have to each other. He's very smart. And I was like,
ये गाढ़ा हो गया.
और क्या ना, दोनों मुझे देखते रहते हैं और मैं इनको ऐसे करता हूँ.
मुझे ऐसे करता है, इसको ऐसे करता.
So, and that's how, you know, that's how songs are. And the thing is, that's the beauty of it. It's so simple and so much fun.
Yeah.
But it's everything. And you know, then suddenly we don't have it. And we meet in the night. And Irshad Bhai has the superpower of experience also. And I said, but sir, kal gana shoot. नहीं, I mean, हम लोग अगले हफ्ते कर रहे हैं. The boy has to rehearse and all. He said, मैं आज रात को खत्म कर दूंगा. And I'm actually very far away from it because our man is not happy. And Irshad Bhai comes and just bats. Like Rinku Singh making 30 runs in 1 over. And we finish the song in 2 hours. Which we've been trying to do for 2 months. But that's the beauty of it.
Yeah. It is.
You know, I think that's how...
नहीं, वो माहौल कई बार आपको इंस्पायर करता है ना. सी राइटिंग में ना सबसे इजी बात होती है काटना.
Yeah, that's true.
एक बार पेपर पे तो आ जाए.
Yeah.
काट तो लेंगे, काट लो भैया जो काटना है. अच्छा ये यहाँ पे रिपीट चाहिए, ओके कर लो, रिपीट कर
Even
लेंगे.
when we write so, the most scary part is the blank page.
Yes.
After the blank page, you can cut, redo everything.
Yeah. मैं एक बार जो आपको सिचुएशन ने इंस्पायर किया है, कहानी ने इंस्पायर किया है, आपको वो इवन माहौल आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा है जहाँ 3 लोग बैठे हुए भले किसी जोक पे हंस ही रहे हैं, कॉफ़ी ही पी रहे हैं, बट इट्स यू नो एक माहौल आपको कुछ देता है, कुछ बात बनती है. जब आप हंस भी रहे होते हैं एज ए डायरेक्टर या म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर या लिरिसिस्ट, आप हंसते हंसते भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ चल रहा होता है, सोच रहे होते हैं बात करते हुए भी.
Like, so, you know, when I realized the song is very alive, कि एक last session before the final master had to go, हम कल्याण बरुआ के साथ गिटार्स करा रहे थे. And I remember हम लोग he done the guitars up. In fact, you're saying that this is international. He's programmed this song with a lot of international musicians. But in the end, we were getting this guy, a very famous guitarist from Assam called Kalyan Barua, who was very famous. We got him. And we went to the studio, and I remember him saying when he saw me, he said, "I saw you and now I know what I want to do." And that was the only take that was useful, right? Because I left after that. But till that stage, it was not being thing. Then there was one word which was done in a rough dub, which Fahim said he wanted to re-sing. That word was Sayyara in the thing. And he said, sir, I want to redub it. It's not been done, it's not done technically well. I want to redub it. This was just before the master had to go, sir. And when he sang it Sayyara 2. He put the emphasis on the 2, which I think just changed the whole song from a philosophy to a love song.
Yeah.
So if a song on that stage also can be can add emotionally, that means it's very alive. That's when I realized the song is special.
It is actually a very, very beautiful song and composition. So thank you so much. I don't have a lot of time, so I will take my last question with Irshad sir. Because you literally right now, I won't be wrong if I say you're like the backbone when it comes to writing lyrics in the industry, because everyone, like I said, comes to you. But how do you work, or perhaps let me rephrase, who do you work the best with when you have the entire script in place or the character's sketch in place and the director's vision is crystal clear that this is the song and this is how I want it to be? Or when they tell you that आपने वो जो song लिखा था ना वैसा song बनाना है, ठीक है, there is no sir or pair, maybe कि अच्छा romantic song है, it should maybe evoke a certain emotion, but that's about it. How do you work or who do you work with?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है गाना ना दो तरीके से अच्छा लिखा जाता है. Either डायरेक्टर आपके ऊपर छोड़ दे कि भाई यार ये इमोशन है पर्टिकुलर, आप लिख दो इसको किस तरह, या डायरेक्टर बहुत क्लियर हो, वो जो एक फ्रेज है ना कुछ और हो सकता है. That is very scary for me.
I did actually ask him, sir, how do you write a hook song? I actually asked him. Not that I looked this thing, I've not done it, and I really wanted to know. So he said, no, it is exactly the same thing. He told me, either you tell me the hook,
or I'll write
or
on
let
my
me
own.
do it.
हाँ, तो उसमें वो क्लैरिटी, जितना डायरेक्टर क्लियर होगा ना, मेरा निशाना उतना क्लियर होगा. उस मतलब अटेम्प्ट आप मारते हैं ना कि नाउ आई ओके यू वांट दिस, ओके नाउ आई विल डू दिस, यू नो, दैट क्लैरिटी इज द थिंग. फिर आपने क्या होता है, आपको पता होता है कि ये आपका जोन है, आप इस जोन में आप बेटर कैसे परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. दिस इज द सिचुएशन. जो आपने एग्जांपल दिया ही कि मान लीजिए आपको पता है 4 ओवर हैं और 60 रन बनाने हैं, तो दिस इज द सिचुएशन. तो मुझे एवरेज कहाँ पे रखनी है चीज़ के ताकि मैच जीता जा सके. राइट. तो ये एक सिंपल तरीका होता है, वही मैं करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. और सबसे ज़्यादा मैं कोशिश ये करता हूँ कि मेरा गाना लिखने के बाद मुझे पसंद आ जाए सबसे पहले.
ये कितनी बार होता है वैसे? क्योंकि आई एम अज्यूमिंग हर बार तो नहीं हो पाता होगा.
करेक्ट. कई बार असल में क्या होता है ना, जब आप गाना लिखते हो आप ये मान के चलते हो कि ये गाना मैंने लिखा ज़रूर है पर ये गाना मेरा नहीं है. तो आप जितने उस गाने में होते हो उतना आप पसंद कर लेते हो उस चीज़ को. बाकी आप बोलते हो बाकी थोड़ा सा डायरेक्टर भी है यार, थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर भी है इसमें.
Maybe that's
थोड़ा
true.
सिंगर
Any work of art.
Yeah.
There's always, I mean, there's nothing, I'm not going to name them or whatever, but there's some films you see and you turn on and you're like, okay, I'm not there in the film.
Yeah.
I did it for a different reason or whatever. And I think it happens in any work of art, whether it's a film, whether it's a song. You do that, but there's nothing wrong in that. There's an innocence in that also. There's nothing.
And it depends. I mean, why you did it. That why only you will know. Like whoever is doing
Sometimes
it.
no, you genuinely believed in it at that time.
Yeah, probably.
And you went wrong.
Yeah.
And moreover, when you are writing for a character, you are writing for a character. You know.
Yeah.
So if a character is a, for that matter, goon, तो आप गालिब की पोएट्री तो नहीं लिख सकते ना. आपको वैसा ही कुछ लिखना पड़ेगा.
Correct. Correct.
इफ द सॉन्ग इज इन डांस बार तो आप अकॉर्डिंगली उस जोन में जाओगे कि यार एक पर्टिकुलर किस्म का. सो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग फॉर ए कैरेक्टर, वहाँ भी आप एक कैरेक्टर जस्टिफाई हो जाए और उस जस्टिफाइड कैरेक्टर में whatever you want, whatever you can, you know, chip in के ये मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन है यार. कहीं किसी एक लाइन में, किसी एक वर्ड में, कहीं किसी बात में आ जाए तो.
Absolutely. On that note, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I really hope that this, like I had started, this really ends the drought for us, because I know as a cinegoer, we are all really waiting for a good romantic film.
Thank you.
And I think Sayyara really promises that. So thank you so much.
Right.
I promise you'll deliver that also. Thank you.
Yeah.